Garmin smartwatches have many features that can help you better understand your body. One of those features is the ECG app, available on select Garmin smartwatches. In this video, we'll show you how to use the app to take an ECG recording anytime you like. The ECG app uses sensors on your device to record the electrical signals that control how your heart beats. This recording is known as an electrocardiogram, or ECG. The ECG app analyzes your heart rate recording to detect signs of an irregular heart rhythm called atrial fibrillation, or AFib. AFib rhythms occur when the upper and lower chambers of your heart are not beating in sync. It's important to remember the ECG app cannot detect heart attacks. It also cannot detect blood clots or stroke. If you do not feel well, you should speak with your doctor. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.